don't look after our children, they will not look after us. આપણે છોકરા નહીં કરીએ ને સાચવીએ નહીં તો પછી એ કેમ અમને સાચવે?
રિવર્સ છે.
હા,
રિવર્સ
જ છે ને. So the reason why I'm bringing this up, because it starts with understanding what will be the effect if we break family tradition. It is not just that, oh well, we'll just become a little bit Western and it'll just be a new culture. No, it will be a complete destruction of dharma. The basis of culture is dharma. The basis of our tradition must be dharma. Right? If we think it's anything else, na amara samaj nu che, some kind of communal idea, ame patel che, ame shah che, ne maru culture avu che, ne emnu evu che, e loka jain che. This kind of communal, small-minded thinking will actually be very detrimental, and I guarantee you, your children don't care. I promise you, your children don't care that they're shahs or jains or patel. Lokan kai pedi nathi. So we have to find something that they care about. I care about loneliness. I care about depression. I care about being suicidal, like Madam was saying. Those are things that will actually affect them. So if we want to protect the next generation from real damage to the soul, then we have to give them real culture. The actual Sanatana Dharma. Sanatana means eternal. It cannot be sectarian. It cannot be community based. Understand? It cannot be Gujarati versus Marathi. That is not Sanatana Dharma. If we're identifying with anything that is communal, yes, it helps us. આપણા સમાજમાં થોડુંક હેલ્પ મળે ને, ઓળખાણ હોય ને, you feel comfortable. But that is not the basis of Sanatana Dharma. And we will not be able to pass it on if we focus only on that. We must dig deeper.